This is the 2-1F lesson, the first video. We're going to look at what happens when we solve equations and we get a different outcome or end result. So number one, we're going to examine this model over here, and we're going to list out some observations. So the first thing, you're welcome to pause the video and also make your own observations. First thing I might notice is that it's an equation. That boundary line tells me I'm dealing with an equation. All right, next thing is left side. Has these boxes, those are called groups. Left side has 2 groups. And we'll maybe add one other one. You're welcome to add your own, but maybe all tiles are positive. All right, so now we're going to solve our equation. And there is one other observation we haven't stated yet, but you might notice that's going to cause this to be a little bit weird. And I'll come back and add it up here in just a minute. So the left side of the equation is 2 groups. Each group has an x tile and 3 unit tiles. And the right side has 2x plus 6. And we'll solve this. First step is we're going to distribute. We're going to get 2x plus 6 equals 2x plus 6. Next step is we're going to move the variables to the same side. And we're left with this. And what we're going to do next to this is we're going to write that this is true. 6 does equal 6. And this is what we call infinitely many solutions. This is our final answer. Infinitely many solutions, or you might see me abbreviate it this way, infinitely many solutions. What that means is anything will work in this equation. Any number we plug in will check out. 6 will work, 5 will work, 4 will work, 3 will work, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, fractions, decimals, everything will work. And so whenever we get infinitely many solutions, we are looking for 2 numbers to be equal that are in fact equal. So 6 equals 6 or 5 equals 5. And that's going to tell us it's infinitely many solutions. We sometimes call this A equals A. All right, and so let's go back up and add one other bullet point. Which is that there's the same number of x tiles and unit tiles on both sides. That there was 2 x tiles, 6 unit tiles, and 6 unit tiles. The problem was just set up a little bit different with the groups. And in fact, for C, I'm just going to draw an arrow up there. All right, so that was the first problem where we got infinitely many solutions. Anything will work for this.